What's going on, guys? It's Eric here from Dose of VT, bringing you guys another video. So as you guys can see, I got the AirPods Pro. So what makes these different than the AirPod Pros you would normally buy at the store is right there, which means these are Geek Squad certified. Now, most of the time, Apple does not have Geek Squad work on their products. Like, you'll see their MacBooks every now and again, but when it comes to like accessories and stuff, you usually don't see them very often. Like, you don't really see phones or anything like that. So getting something like this is very unique. So what probably happened is a customer bought it, for whatever reason returned it. The store thought it was in good enough shape to reuse, so Geek Squad certifies it, puts it in their system, checks, make sure it all works, then resells it at a discounted price. When I bought these, they were on Best Buy's deal of the day for like $195, so you're saving over $50, then obviously with tax a little bit more. So we will see if it's worth saving some money by seeing what the AirPods look like, how the case looks like, and if they actually even function like they're supposed to. So as you can see, they're completely normal box. Oh, this is just tape right there, so we'll just cut this on both sides and we can see what they have underneath here. They definitely don't make this easy. Ooh, there's another one. Okay, there we go. So you open it up. Looks like you have your documentation. I assume everything's here. I imagine it would come with Apple stickers, but people down in the comments, you can leave that below because I'm not really sure, because I haven't even seen an actual unboxing of these. I just bought these for you guys to show you what it's like to buy something from Best Buy that's certified by Geek Squad and it's resold. Now this product varies from many different things of how Geek Squad recertifies their products, if it's excellent, if it's alright condition, if it's not. There's a huge process they go through and they do checks and stuff like that. So looking at the case, I'm going to try to get some reflection on this. You guys can see there are scratches on the case. Bringing it up right there, you can see that there's scratches. So it was used. Right there you can see a little scuff. It's a little dirty, but it looks like it just wiped off. On the bottom, so of your lightning cable, the hinge works pretty well. You can see the light come on. Now the most important things. How do the actual headphones look? You can look down in there. It doesn't look too dirty. So the person that used it kept it pretty clean, it looks like. Or maybe Geek Squad cleaned it a little bit before me getting it. Now the AirPods, let's see here. Now I can see a little dirt right there, if you guys can see that right next to my finger. So that looks like it just brushed off. I don't see too much of what shouldn't be there. Everything looks pretty good. Now you got your ear tips. Focus in a little bit. Now the ear tips look pretty good. Now most people will be like, why would you buy used headphones knowing they've probably been in someone's ears? Granted, these probably definitely have been in someone's ears, and that's the chance you're willing to take by using something that has been in someone else's ear. But honestly, the actual headphones look in pretty good shape. I can't complain. The ear cups look nice intact. What I'm guessing is this person had it, probably didn't use them a lot. I'm assuming because the tips are pretty white. There is some dirt, but that could be from my fingers. But trying to look down in there, don't know how well you guys will be able to see that, but if it ever focuses in. Well, from what I can tell, I don't see any earwax or anything crazy like that. So for the most part, it looks like it works pretty good. Now, let me put these back in here. And it looks like they came with a charge outside the box. I mean, other than that, they look pretty good. Let's see what else we get in the box here. Ooh, it does come with the cable. As you can see, it looks like they didn't use the cable. But what's different with the Pros compared to all the other ones is you got USB Type-C. So now you can hook these up to your laptop to charge if you have a MacBook that only uses the Type-C connectors. And here are all the other tips. Now looking at these tips, doesn't look like they've been used, so that looks pretty good. So you have your large and small. Obviously the ones that are on there are the medium ones, but for the most part they look pretty good. I mean, I'm not going to complain. Obviously you're saving money here. Now you are going to deal with a lot of wear and tear. Most people that get this stuff don't buy a case for it. They just throw it in their pocket with their keys, with their phone. Some people have long fingernails that scratch the case, so that's one thing you got to keep in mind. And the other thing is someone probably had these in their ears. So that's up to you. If you can look past that, maybe most people probably use the medium size, but if you know you're a person with smaller ears and you buy one of these off of Best Buy, usually they don't do too many of these. They usually get sold out pretty quickly when they do come Geek Squad certified. But if they do have them, and you can look at the large and small, and they don't look like they've been used, like these don't even look like they've been touched. So my ears are a little bit smaller, so I might be able to use the small, but I might just keep the medium if they fit perfectly fine. But there you go, guys. This is just an unboxing of what it's like to get something that's Geek Squad certified from Best Buy. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. Hopefully I can answer them, or someone else can answer them. I also do work at Best Buy, so if you have any questions about Geek Squad, I'll probably be able to answer them, or at least answer them to the best of my ability of what I know. But if anyone else works at Best Buy, answer their questions too and help them out to understand how good Geek Squad really is and the processes they go through to make sure the person buying this product for the second time around is getting the same experience as the first customer. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.